Hey folks, Matt Bochsler here. Today we're talking about being the energy that you desire. As you often notice, I'll often do my shoots in nature or somewhere that's part of the planet. It's part of where our bodies came from. And the reason for that is it's really easy to forget when you're in a lot different environment, like in the city and so forth, about that this energy is the energy of you as a being. And what we're going to talk about today is how do you be the energy that you're asking for? The key piece here is like you got to understand the difference between energy and everyone else's judgments that you're aware of in the world. And a judgment is literally anything that someone says about something else. And if you're aware of judgments in the world around you, just take a look at nature here. And how hard is it for you to judge that everything's totally disorganized and it's not correct here? It's pretty hard, right? Yeah, it's really hard. Because the earth has no judgment of you, and this is a place where when you choose nature, you're reminded of the energy that you be as a being. You know, that part of you that's gonna be here when your body's dead, that part of you afterlife, that's this energy now. And if you're willing to go beyond all your belief systems, you can find different ways where you could bring this energy to wherever you are. So you don't have to live in, a little house sitting by the brook, but you could. And that energy that you bring is all about being the energy. So can you just breathe in everything that's happening here? Just allow my Facebook Live just to donate, be like a gateway for you to receive all this. And are you getting it? Can you feel the water and the air and the beautiful trees and everything? Right? You already got it. You're being the energy of this. Now, the big question is, what do you use to make sure that you always have to be in nature and that you'll never be this energy wherever your body is? And if I could get all the bugs out of my ears right now, I could probably talk quicker. But they apparently like my ears. So anyway, that doesn't have anything to do with this conversation, but I'll keep talking. It's almost like if you're willing to know that this is possible for you now, to be this energy wherever your body is, why would you not choose to be it when you're downtown and draw the same energy up from the concrete, or receive it from the sky, or not be this energy as you, wherever you are, wherever you have your body? Because if you were to do that, is there anything you wouldn't choose, any place you wouldn't go, anything that you wouldn't be? Right? You guys want a little 360 of this? You can just really get it. Receive those gorgeous mountains. And as you're receiving it, do you notice that your body starts to thrum and hum? Is there a sense of peace in your world? Yeah. As much as I'd like to tell you that's the earth creating that for you, I'm afraid I'm going to have to give you a shocker statement, folks. That's you. That's you choosing to be it. So, your homework for tonight, or whenever you may want to do it, if you do it, is go find a place where you can find just the grandeur and the glory of the planet. Could just be outside your house somewhere. And go ask your body and your being, hey, can we be this energy now? Oh, God, isn't that beautiful? Everybody take a little mental snapshot of that one. And be that energy And then go back into your life and see how long you can continue being that energy. It's not like you're still pulling it from the earth, but it's available. But when you choose to actually be the space between your molecules, something different happens in your world. And there's a different possibility for you to be an invitation to the rest of the world to never have to be the effect of anything. And you become the joy. So, once again, here's your homework again, is find a place that you really enjoy. Go spend a few minutes there, or however many minutes it takes for you to lower all your barriers and receive. And once you get a taste of that energy, just ask your body and your being, can we be this now? And take it back into the world. Take it back into the world. Be the invitation that you are, that you came here for. And I hope something in this video is something you can take home and use. We'll see you guys all later. Love you all, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.